What up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a wig installation video, and the hair that I am going to use for this video is from Yolissa. They did send me this hair. I have a transparent frontal, but it's not really white. It's like a really light beige, but I actually really like the lace on this frontal. And they sent me 3 bundles, a wig cap, and the instructions with a satin bag. This is their Waterwave texture, and I believe the longest length I have is a 28 inch. I'll link all of the information down below in the description bar. So we are going to clean our foreheads because of the fact that I have never put my wig on when I had a full face of makeup on, and I actually like it better. And the reason why I like doing this now is because, like, when I put my wig on first and then I go in and put on my makeup, my lace kind of get a little bit cakey, and I don't like that. So I tried it this way and I fell in love. So I am going to be gluing down my wig today, and I am going to use BOLDHOLDACTIVE. Now, I want you guys to remember, because you guys might see a lot of things on social media, this glue is not waterproof, okay? If you go jump in a pool, girl, your wig is going to come off because this is a water-based glue. So anything that's water-based or any white glue like this will come off with water. Now, BOLDHOLDACTIVE is a little bit stronger, and it'll, like, you know, take some of your sweat and stuff like that, but it's not, you're not going to wash your hair and that thing going to stay on. And I see a lot of people do that, and I'm just like, okay. But yeah, like acrylic glues, those clear ones are typically the water resistant glues, the waterproof glue. So if you are looking for a glue that is waterproof, you want to go for the clear sticky kind. All right, so that's just a little, you know, little lesson for you guys. So basically, I'm just lining up my lace onto my hairline how I want it to sit. I did do 3 layers of the BOLDHOLDACTIVE, and I'm just, you know, just trying to get the hairline looking right. So now that my lace is down, I am going to take my blow dryer. You guys see me do this a lot, and I have it on warm. And I'm going to just take it and just push the lace and the glue into each other with that warmth that is coming from the blow dryer. And I do this for about like maybe a minute. And typically after I do that, I'll wrap my hair down with my scarf just to press it in a little bit more, because you just, you know, you want to just be secure. And once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to go in and cut my lace off with my eyebrow razor. I'm gonna mold a little bit of my baby hairs. I do like baby hairs sometimes with textures like this, but when it's more straighter textures, I don't like baby hairs. I like more of a clean look. So I'm gonna use my Cantu Wave Curl Whip, and I'm going to use that on my hairline. I'm not pushing that product into the lace. You don't want to do that because it will lift. The glue has not set yet, and so if you wet the lace, it will lift. So when you're working with mousse, use a little bit. Do not go overboard, okay? And hurry up and get the job done and wrap your hair down. After I got everything where I want it, I go with my Got To Be Free spray and I spray my hairline down. This just helps secure, like if there's like little pieces that's not all the way glued down, like the edge of my lace, this is going to push it down and nobody will ever know. Okay, so I take my scarf or my my lace grip, and I will put that around my head and let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then once I take it off, it's ready to go to style my hair. So I'll let this sit on for about 10 minutes, and after the 10 minutes I'll usually take it off, and then my hairline would look like this. I just started doing this method with the foam, and it makes a total difference with my outcome of how the front of my hair lays. It is so flat and bomb, y'all. Like, look at that. So I decided that I wanted to wear the big hair out for a little while, so I went and ran errands while my hair was big because it just looked so natural. It looked like how my hair would look if it was blow dried. And so I just started playing with you know, the hair, just brushing it and stuff like that, and I pinned it back, and the ponytail was bomb. And I was like, okay, I just needed some decorative little hair bobs and stuff like that to put on my hair, and that would have been like a cute little ponytail, I'll tell you that. So I wanted to show you guys you could wear it like this, because I for sure will wear it like big like this, because I love blow dried looking hair. But I am going to also show you guys that the natural texture of this hair. And so basically I'm just going to wet it down with water. I am going to use my Cantu Wave and Whip, and I'm going to put this generously all over the hair. And after that I am going to go with my olive oil pudding, hair pudding. You guys see me use that as well, and I'm going to put that on the hair as well, just to help mold it and keep it like nice and tidy and not frizzy and just bomb. Okay, and basically that is the ending of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this installation. I definitely am going to start using this way to apply my wigs, especially around my hairline, because it just came out so flat. That was my first time doing that, and so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the description box, and you guys know I will be back with another video. Bye, best friends.